I've pretty much been sick my entire life. I got diabetes when I was 8 years old. I've been a diabetic for over 30 years. I have kidney failure. I am blind. And there's a number of other health problems that I have too. And when I talked to you about chiropractic being able to help me, I was open to my body being able to heal itself, because I believe that the body has a lot of power if we just learn how to use it properly. So I originally came just to see, which is interesting because I don't see, but I originally came just to see what you could do to help me feel better. The first time I came, you figured out what was wrong with my neck. I call it putting my head on straight because I know my spine's kind of crooked. And you adjusted me, and it hurt. Like, it hurt really, really bad for about 3 days. But I didn't see anything at all at that point. Everything was completely and totally black. When I very first went blind, I could see light and color and movement. And I have lost that because of retinopathy and cataracts and glaucoma. But after 3 days after I was here for my very first appointment, I could see light again. And I have actually been able to see light ever since. And I've been coming now for not even a year, probably 6 months maybe. Once a week, sometimes twice a week, and then once every other week for a little while. I had horrible arthritis in my hands and my wrists, and I'm a writer, and so I used my hands and my wrists a lot, and I got to the point where I couldn't work for very long on the computer because my hands and my wrists hurt so bad. I couldn't make fists out of my hands because my fingers wouldn't close, and now I have no pain in my hands at all. All of that has disappeared as well. So I'm really excited to find out what else can get it better, because those are some major things that have affected my life that have gone away because I've been seeing Simply Health Chiropractic. I feel like my body is healthier and stronger. I've gone through major surgeries and major problems with my health over the last 6 months, and I bounced back a lot faster than I ever would have. When I had a kidney transplant, it took me 9 months before I was actually able to get around and walk around. And after I had the pancreas transplant, I was up and going within weeks after surgery. So it just makes every day better because I'm stronger and my body's taking better care of itself. Oh my gosh, anybody who has any health problem at all, if you have problems with behavior, if you have problems with your kids, if you have problems with arthritis, if you have problems with headaches, it changed so much that I don't think there's any problem that you can't make better by giving your body the ability to heal. And that's what Dr. Duryea does, is he helps your body heal itself. Anything your body can do for itself makes you stronger and better. And if you don't have to do it with medication, then you're that much better off. There isn't anything that you can't use chiropractics to help. I just want to say that lots of people think that chiropractics is like the lower version of medicine. It's not. I've gotten more help in the little bit of time I've spent with the chiropractor than I have in the 30 years I've been with the medical profession.